If you work in LibreOffice Writer and want a faster way to move around your document, then learning how to open the Navigator is a really useful skill. The Navigator helps you jump between headings, tables, images, bookmarks, and other parts of your document without endless scrolling. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open it step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center where you can begin a new file or open an existing one. If you want to practice from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document saved, just open that file instead. Either way works because the Navigator can be opened inside any Write a document. After your document is open, look at the top of the window and find the menu bar. This is where you'll see options like File, Edit, View, Insert, and more. To open the Navigator, click View in the top menu. When the View menu drops down, look for Navigator in the list and click it. As soon as you select it, the Navigator panel will appear on the side of your document. This panel gives you a clear outline of your content, making it much easier to find sections, move between headings, and organize longer documents. If you're working on reports, notes, assignments, or any large file, this tool can save you a lot of time. You can use it to expand headings, locate objects, and quickly jump to the exact part of your document you need. And that's all it takes to open Navigator in LibreOffice Writer. It's simple, fast, and very helpful once you know where to find it. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.